we are loving going on these adventures, but I'm already carrying this one and we started there. And then we have Torbjörn there, if you can tell. He needs to do his first wee. It's never easy for us as well, but we are here for the experience of it, all the challenges as well as all the obviously amazing parts, which I am sure we will have today. Gonna have some amazing parts today too. Gonna explore. Hey, Torbjörn, what just happened?
I slipped in water. That was kind of fun. I'll go down.
Yeah, so 10 minutes in, he's already fallen down into the water. Not too bad though, he doesn't seem to be wet on the inside, so fingers crossed it stays that way. Some food? What are you making? What is it? Yum. This is us finishing this part of our day, but this is actually not a part of our actual walk, so we're gonna go this way, which will be the beginning of our, I think it's 4Ks, and this one that we just went on is almost 1K, so yeah, not even started, but I have had so much fun so far, so looking forward to the rest of the actual walk. And my hope for today is not to carry the boys too much or actually getting hurt or too wet and cold. For you. Are they good?
Yeah!
Coffee?
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
Cool. Remember, stay on the mat, buddy, because you got no shoes on.
This is our camping spot. Just next to the water. Just behind those trees.
I've been in camping house and we having some pika. Put down.
Did you? The sun has come out to play. It is gorgeous. Hey, I don't want to have hands in my face, thank you. No, thank you. I can't see anything. I can't see where we're walking. Are you able to take them away though, please? Yes, please. Did. Hello. Yeah, magical spot here. Here's like a little beach.
river down.
Oh yeah, I've seen.
So this is actually the old road, like the main road. One of the old buildings, you can't really tell, but it's the well there. And then some more structures.
My fingers going full off. It's not really cold because the mouth is full of
Do you want your gloves on?
shoulders.
You want to be on my shoulders?
No,
On my back? Is that the only way to keep your fingers? What about gloves to keep them warm?
oh.
No? Do they need to be in my neck? Okay, come on.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah,
And where are you going to put your fingers?
oh, I don't know. Oh, I can't breathe.
Hey, yeah, but not around my neck. I can't breathe then.
Mom, put it in your pocket.
Oh, the phone? Do you think I need my other hand, do you?
Yes, because I like this before.
Okay. I just dropped Torbjörn down to walk by himself, but they picked the road of us walking uphill to be the one to carry. Oh. I stepped in a big pile of poop. Cows normally walk here, and obviously didn't look where I put my shoes. Anyway, got them up here somewhere, waiting on the hill. The views are absolutely gorgeous. We haven't seen any other like hikers or people out, except a couple of local people like walking their dog in like small areas. There's these gorgeous little places too with this water.